Alright, welcome back. On this video we'll be detailing the Lexus RX350. This is a first time customer. We do see that we do need to do some leather cleaning and conditioning on the inside of this vehicle. We'll definitely recommend that later on the after service cards, but stay tuned to the end of the video. Let's get it. As you can see, the vehicle definitely needs our services. We're gonna walk around and do a pre-inspection, but stay tuned. Let's get it. As you can see, I'm using my iPhone Pro 2. The link will be in the description for my unboxing video and my first use of my iPhone Pro 2. If you want to take a look at that, stay tuned. As you can see, it's a lot of foam on the wheels. The iPhone Pro 2 definitely produces a lot of foam for wheel cleaning. Stay tuned to the end of the video. We're almost done. Let's get it. Today we are performing a premium detail service on this vehicle. That's our basic detail service. Stay tuned to the end of the video. We're almost done. As you can see, the vehicle is nice and clean. It looks amazing, and my customer was extremely satisfied. And with that, I'm out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.